Hello traders, today's video we're going to be talking about Upbots. This is something I actually just came across, and it is a platform that allows you to trade both centralized and decentralized exchanges and tokens. Let's dive in. I 100% should have made the joke. What's up, bot? Oh, nothing much. Get it? Because Upbot. Okay, yeah. Let's move on from puns. I had to make that pun. Comment below if that was a 10 out of 10 pun. No, that was actually probably like 3 out of 10. Okay, so Upbot actually offers something that a lot of other platforms similar to it don't, and I'm just gonna go right to it. This is so cool. Their swap platform. So let's take any two coins, and this actually pairs near perfectly with the video I made with Uniswap and liquidity patterns. Let's just take a random coin. Like I don't know some of these coins, but you know, Bloom, cool. Bloom to Ethereum's, sure, search. I'm about to buy, let's say you want to buy, I don't even know what the price of it is. Search. It shows you the different prices of different exchanges. And not only that, it allows you to buy directly by just going to, oh Lord, okay. By just going to MetaMask, like immediately. So basically the way that this works is you connect your MetaMask, which if you haven't made a MetaMask yet, I highly recommend you do. It's not that hard to make at all. Do it on Google Chrome. It's probably the best way to do it. And it says, enter the trade you want to make. You just connect your wallet and you can just do it this way. Now let's say that you want to actually do arbitrage. You know, let's say that you're like, oh, wait, I could use this platform to arb the heck out of a lot of different coins. You probably can. Like let's take a coin that's more popular and I'll show you. Nexo is probably more popular. Nexo to Ethereum. Oh, actually, no. Okay, well, we're not going to do like Bitcoin because that's kind of course, not going to... Santiment. Is Santiment available on a lot of... It's available on these two. Okay, let's take a pretty popular one. Aave, yeah. Yeah, this one's pretty big. So you can see the different prices here. So I could buy directly at a 0.268. Now let's say that you're like, hey, I actually want to I want to exit this trade. And you know, instead of 1,000 Aave, let's do 100 Aave. You can buy it at a pretty low price on, what's the cheapest here? Sushiswap. Let's say you buy it on Sushiswap and then you want to get out of the trade. Click that. That flips signs and boom, you can see that. And then that's the price. So you could say, hey, I want to actually buy it on Sushiswap and sell it on Bancor. And then you could do it like that. It might look a little bit weird because it says buy both ways, but basically what you'd be doing is the first transaction we would buy Aave, sell Ethereum, right? And then the second transaction, if you want to make this an arbitrage, you then buy Ethereum with the coin you just bought with Aave. I have not like fully tested this out yet, so definitely, you know, do your research first. But the potential of this, I think, is really large. I mean, because this could be used for pretty high level arbitrage, I think. Yeah, so let's do the opposite. So let's say you want to sell your Aave for USDT. You know, you can do it here. Just seriously, just like that one feature alone is the reason I made this video. Algo rental, I don't know too much about. I don't know if this trades centralized exchanges or if it trades yeah. I think you have to pay. So the platform itself, I believe, is free. But in order to use some of the extra bots, I think you do have to pay a rental fee, kind of like renting a car or something. So you do have to do that. Manual trade, this is just basically like very similar to what like, you know, 3 commas would basically give you. And then they also have some other platforms too that are pretty cool. Create new bot. That. What else do they have? Coming soon. Okay, there's one other one I wanted to show. Coming soon. They just have a lot of coming soon. I'm pretty surprised this is free. Yeah, I think the only free one they got here. Yeah, here. Okay, so like let's say you want to do an Ishimoku at Ethereum. Whoa. Yeah, look at that. And it tells you exactly what to do too. And how this is free is kind of beyond me. You could basically trade this and do all this for free. Wow. By copying this and then putting in TradingView, I guess. Is that the way that this works? Or does it not even require TradingView? Yeah. So basically, I just wanted to make this really quick video to give you guys an opportunity to basically have the ability to arbitrage through decentralized platforms. Now, of course, there are other things you can do on this, but when I use this, I'm basically only going to be using this for arbitrage. You know, and I don't know exactly how well this will work, but I am intensely curious. Like, so it says here you could buy this at 199, and then if we flip this sign, can you actually sell it at a good price? And then you could sell it on the other one for like that. I don't know if you'll break fees though. But basically, what I would recommend. What if we wait? What if we increase slippage? I mean, this is kind of dangerous, but yeah. But basically what you could do with this, and of course this is not financial advice, but let's say there are really two ways that you could use this platform for free. The first way is you want to buy a token anyway. You're looking for the cheapest price, which you should be. You know, if you're going to invest in a token on Uniswap because you think that it's going to rise in price, you probably should do some research to try to get the best possible price before you swap in and get the token. The second way you can do that is just direct arbitrage. You could do, this is going to be much more tough because arbitrage is a very competitive market and zero-sum game because it's arbitrage and you're taking advantage of inefficiency, which doesn't last forever. But you could essentially look through a bunch of tokens, look through a bunch of coins, connect your MetaMask, try to find the best, discrepancy possible, meaning that you could buy on one decentralized exchange directly using the UpBots platform, and then you could exchange it again and sell it on a different exchange. And if you guys do try this out, leave a comment and say how your experience has been. Because I think that the potential here is quite large. And there's probably a third way you could use this, which is just for research purposes. The third way you could use this platform for decentralized is just to look at liquidity and different pricing from different exchanges, and then just go from there. And if you don't want to touch decentralized, if you're like, oh, okay, CeFi is where it's at, let's just be only centralized, then that's where you can go to, manual trading, algo rentals, and then also there's just so much more that they're going to be coming out with. I'm really impressed by this platform. I haven't talked to these guys yet, or girls, or bots, or whoever runs them. But I'm really impressed, and I have a funny feeling that they're going to come out with a lot of good updates that are probably going to make this even better. So definitely keep UpBots on your radar. This has been Bitcoin Trading Challenge, and happy trading.